For machines operating submerged, such as submersible water pumps and submersible mixers, it is essential to lift the units out of the pump or mixing medium for regular maintenance work. This means that a hoist is required for every unit working submerged. That is why operators wish to be able to operate several submerged units using only one hoisting unit. Therefore, several solutions have been developed and also installed. One variant is that every submerged unit is fixed to a chain or steel cable. Only when the unit is raised is the end of the chain or steel cable connected to the chain hoist or hoist winch. The other option is to connect a catch hook with 3 or 4 arms that is fastened to the end of the lifting cable to the holding bracket of the submerged operating unit. Prerequisite is, however, that the catch hook intersects with the holding bracket within the swivel radius of the hoist, so that the correct submersion depth is preset for the catch hook, and that the catch hook is not deflected by the residual flow of the pump or mixing medium. In our opinion, this free gripping only makes sense up to a water depth of 4 meters. If the units are installed at a greater depth, then the process of free gripping is more luck than anything else, and far too unreliable. Only above water level can one see whether the catch hook has intersected correctly with the holding bracket. Many cables have been damaged in this way. The catch hook is replaced by the catch device. Using the new catch device, it is now possible to lift submerged operating machines safely and without risk out of the pump or mixing medium. The catch device that is fastened to the lifting rope of the hoist is swiveled over the guide pipe of the lowering device. The guide elements are adapted to the size of the guide pipes. Established guide pipe diameters are square pipes from 60 to 60 to 120 to 120. Guide elements can also be installed for so-called double pipe guides. The catch device now slides downwards along the guide pipe. The guide element ensures that the catch hook always safely intersects with the holding bracket. The catch hook is now no longer deflected, not even by residual flow in the basin. The holding bracket intersects automatically with the holding bracket on lowering the catch device. The mixer can now be removed from the basin. The functionality of the catch hook is now further described using the model. The catch device slides downwards, guided by the guide pipe of the lowering device. Due to the wedge shape of the catch hook, the hook is forced out of its vertical position on the holding bracket. The catch hook wedge surface slides along the holding bracket and then hooks onto the holding bracket. The mixer can now be lifted out. On lowering the submersible mixer, the safe separation of catch device and mixer must be ensured. Separation or decoupling is carried out using the spring-operated detaching lever. In doing so, the pressed detaching lever is used to attach the catch hook to the holding bracket of the machine. The weight of the machine holds the detaching lever in this spring-loaded position. When the machine sets down on the cross pipe of the lowering device, the spring-loaded detaching lever forces the catch hook away from its vertical position. On lifting the catch device, the catch hook and the detaching lever slide down along the holding bracket. The catch device is now separated from the submersible mixer and can now be removed from the basin.